So last week it was about 27 degrees Celsius, and then on the weekend it dropped down to about 12. That's probably, not quite sure, but it's right now it feels like cold enough to be near freezing, but I'm sure it's not quite that low. Maybe it's like 45 or something Fahrenheit. Anyway, it's uncomfortably cold all of a sudden, and going from hot enough that some people were needing to wear air conditioning jackets at work to keep cool enough to not overheat, to going bone-chillingly cold, depending on the clothing, of course, but in like less than a week it has been extremely difficult to deal with. Couple people who are feeling sick because of it, and myself, I have gone from being motivated and ready to do a bunch of exercise to suddenly having trouble recuperating and having extreme difficulty with recovery. I was able to do one set of chin-ups this morning, but I haven't done any muscle training in the last 3 or 4 days. Other than that, I was able to work regularly today, and that was okay. But yeah, my recovery has been terrible, and my have runny nose, and my muscles feel like I don't know how to explain it. It feels like my veins have blood freezing and then cracking inside my veins, as if as if that was actually like a thing that could happen. But I don't know. That's the kind of strange feeling that's how cold it suddenly has become. It's obviously not as cold as some people get where it snows. You can spit and have it freeze before it hits the ground or anything like that, but I'm usually okay with the cold, and what's weird is maybe it's because I'm leaner than I was before, but I'm not as okay as I usually would be. Maybe I'll be better down the road. I think the problem is that usually it gets colder a couple degrees at a time every week, and until it's cold in the winter or whatever. But it went from hot to cold within days, and so yeah, I don't think my body is keeping up as well as it usually does. Of course, I'm wearing a t-shirt while I walk, so there might be that as well. But usually I do wear a t-shirt during the late part of fall, because that helps me get used to the cold. But again, that's with the gradual changes in temperature. Right now, the changes were very sudden. I haven't really bought winter clothes yet. I have some left over from last year, but some got too musty during the summertime. Got, I don't know, moldy or dusty, or I don't know what's going on, but can't use some of them anymore. And so I've been able to wash a few things and make them usable, but not everything. And I think I'm going to need to refill my wardrobe sometime soon. Right now, yeah, I don't know really what to do, because it's not like I have a bunch of space to put warm clothes in. The place where I would hang clothes in our, what we call the clothing room, it's more like a walk-in wardrobe or whatever. Sorry. It's that place is completely full right now, and my drawers are full of summer clothes right now. That's yeah. I would edit that out, but I don't think I'm gonna. I don't think I would be doing any editing for a while. Not quite that far along with video creation. Anyway, although I've done it before, just not very much. Sorry. Anyway, so I either need to figure out some way to get more space or get rid of some clothes or something, and get some winter clothes. Of course, I'm not really good on cash right now, so getting a bunch of winter clothes isn't gonna be something I can do. I probably buy one or two things that are comfortable to wear over my summer clothes or something. I don't know. I still have a jacket that I could wear, and maybe a vest. Maybe that'll keep me okay for a while. I think I'll probably need to get like a sweatshirt and some sweatpants for time at home. Yeah, anyway. So anyway, with my my training, after I get accustomed to the cold, I think I'll probably be able to do more calisthenics and stuff, but with like the feeling of my muscles freezing over or something when I try to do pull-ups, I think I'd probably injure myself, and end up not making any progress that way. I know if I'm able to warm myself up at home, I could probably do some pull-ups there, but doing pull-ups in the park or anything else like that is gonna need me to get a little bit more used to the weather first. Be wearing the clothes that will keep me comfortable and all that kind of stuff. I don't have everything set up right now for this situation. I was not expecting such a sudden degree change in temperature. Anyway, it was like, yeah, the summer kind of heat was pouring on into November, which is something completely unheard of here, and so it kind of caught me off guard because it's usually not that warm, and I hadn't gotten ready for winter quite as quickly because it didn't feel like winter was coming anytime soon. I guess it's probably still the fall right now, but it's definitely near the end of the fall, as far as I can tell from the temperature. And yeah, I guess that's how it is, and it'll be too cold for a little while until I get things ready, and then I'll have to start working hard on that again. For now, I was able to work 2 different jobs today and got my 3-mile walk in. Might need to do a little bit of shopping, but I don't know if I'll make it to the grocery store by the right time. I might just stop by a different store because the one I usually go to is going to be closed at 10 o'clock, and I think I'm about 15 minutes away with 13 minutes to go, and this is not going to make it on time, so yeah, I'll probably go shopping somewhere else. Need to get some change for Amelia's school tomorrow and see if there's anything cheap to buy for groceries. if there's nothing, then I'll let Mizuki do the shopping tomorrow. But yeah, just rambling on, talking about recent stuff. It really sucks because I was looking forward to doing some more calisthenics and getting back in the groove, but with this temperature change, I'm not where I was planning on being. I ended up eating 1,800 calories over my goal twice on the weekend, and so that's like a pound of fat worth of extra calories. I don't know if I gained that much weight or if I was able to get enough of a deficit during the days prior to kind of offset that, or exactly what's going on. But I guess I'm going to be kind of on maintenance for longer than I hoped, or maybe I can get things turned around pretty soon. We'll have to see how it goes. Well, I'm going to close this up before the upload time gets too long.